Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the EasySMX cooling fan for Steam Deck. I'm going to take a look at it, talk about how it's been for me with the temperatures, and just go over what it looks like, how it works. So EasySMX, thanks for sending this out for my Steam Deck. Got my Steam Deck right here, and excuse the screen, it's a little bit dirty there, but here is the cooler up here on the top, or the back rather. So to turn it on, hold down the button right down here on the bottom. Now you can see it does have some lights up here, so that indicates your fan speed and your charging status. So this one over here, the left one, if you're looking at the screen, is speed 1. The right one over here is medium or speed 2, and then both of them on are full blast, full speed right there. So kind of hear the fan. I don't know if you guys can hear that on the video or not. And then you can double tap the button to disable the lights if you don't want them on. If you're in a dark room, if they're annoying, distracting, whatever it may be, you can disable the lights just by double tapping and then again hold the power off. It does charge via USB-C, so it is powered by its own internal battery. It's not taking power from your Steam Deck. It doesn't have to be plugged in all the time, so you're still portable and you can still use your same charging cable that your Steam Deck uses. Now, temp-wise, it's pretty good. I'm not going to go over specific numbers just for the fact that I have this case on here which has this back plate on here which has the cooling plate. I have upgraded the thermal pad on here. I took off the thermal paste and put on the thermal pad, as you guys saw in a stream a while ago. So I'm not going to talk specific numbers because they are going to vary based on your specific Steam Deck and if you have anything done to it. So it is definitely helping. It does bring down the temperatures a few degrees Celsius. It does help maintain a lower temperature longer when you first start up a game. It definitely sucks out a lot of heat, so it's right up here on the fan. It does have a little pad back here that goes on the back of the case to kind of help pull heat out from there, and then it does pull air in from here and blow it out. It blows air out of the fan as well, so it helps the internal fan work a little better, and it definitely pushes some heat. Even just like booting up like Windows, when I was running Windows Update, I had this running and it was pushing out heat. So it definitely helps push that heat out. Like I said, a couple degrees lower is what I'm seeing, and it also helps maintain a lower temperature longer when you first start up those games. So it does definitely work. Battery life's been pretty good on it. I haven't yet killed it, and that's a few hours of use at a time, and then I'll charge it. Like I said, it does come with its own USB-C cable, and you can use the USB-C cable for your Steam Deck as well, so you don't have to carry around a bunch of cables. I would recommend maybe carrying one around for this if you are going to be using it a lot and want to be able to charge it while you play your Steam Deck and charge your Steam Deck. That way you can keep them both going, but other than that, you can run it off its own internal battery just fine. Clips onto the fan up here. There's two little pins that go down to the fan so it doesn't wiggle around or anything like that, and that pad on the back helps keep it down as well. So it is removable and everything like that, but it is very sturdy and it's not going to go anywhere. I just leave it on my Steam Deck all the time, unless I'm putting it in the case. Obviously it's not going to fit in your standard Steam Deck case that came with your Steam Deck. But that is the EasySMX fan cooler for the Steam Deck. I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can pick one up on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.